There's my son right there on his little 150cc. Oh, not working. Go for a little night cruise. Whatever idiot had this bike before me. Got the wires chewed up. Got my temporary fix going. Son of a mother. Anyways. That one right there. That's my old sprocket. Yep. She done. It's my new one. Gonna throw it on and we're gonna send it. I got her on there. Chain and everything's on. Just need to adjust the wheel and everything. Supposedly this is the important thing. Will the Yamaha R3 do 100 miles an hour? Let's go find out. I traded somebody some work for this little 110. Gotta get a new chain, sprockets, new carburetor. I'm gonna get the OEM carburetor back on it. Do all that good stuff. A new tail. Change the oil. I think it was a good deal.
I'ma finish what I started in this music, what you call. I don't fit in with tradition, lost myself there for a minute. Now I'm back, now with the vision, I'ma smash the competition. Got the knowledge and the wisdom and the heavy superstition. Ayy, got me the bands, I'm running away. I see signs of better days. Got me the bands, I'm out of this place. Won't look back, I'm hard to replace. All this pain is just a phase. Through the mistakes, I found my way. Gotta be brave, bright as light, they call me Ray.